A lot of copywriting going on, so we're gonna chop that up. We definitely gonna chop that up. But let me know what you guys think about these LeBrons. These dropped today, or they restocked today. These right here is what we came for. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? These are pretty fire, man. This multicolored thing going on. We're gonna get a closer look at these bad boys. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As the title of the video says, and you can tell by the box, we're about to talk about these Kobe ADs that just dropped in the black and white colorway. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. Smash the like button, share the video of course, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. I drop consistently daily, maybe 2 or 3 uploads a day, just depends on the day, you know what I mean? So without further ado, let's get into the highlights of these shoes. You got the typical Kobe box, nothing too different about it. Some Mamba print on there. These are pretty fire. I picked these up at Foot Locker, Hollywood and Highland location. That's where I get a lot of my shoes at. That's the flagship store. Why not go there, man? And as you can see, here we go. Very, very dope shoe. Very dope shoe. Wow. Now, in my opinion, these shoes are pretty dope. I like the colorway. I think I like the multi-colorway a little bit better. But these are dope black. You know what I'm saying, with hints of like the fire red, what's that, hyper red or something like that, whatever they want to call it. The materials are kind of weird on here. Definitely a shoe that is light, because this whole thing is like a sock almost, not like an NMD, but it has like elastic here. It's like a sock, how you slip it on. It's more so what I'm saying. It has Nike Zoom at the bottom of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Very comfortable, composite fiber over the laces. Just like the last models, man. These are pretty dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Let me know. Got a lot more information from you guys in the comment section of the last Kobe's I reviewed, the Exodus. I appreciate that. So now I know these are his jersey numbers, his age, and things of that nature. So I appreciate that, all you Kobe fans out there. Nothing too different about the shoe as far as the different details. Everything's the same, just definitely a different colorway. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section, man. These are pretty fire. I will not, I don't know, man. I might keep these for myself. This is size 13 for myself. I also picked up a pair for one of my friends who wanted to cop them. He wasn't going to be able to get them, I guess, because he's at work, and just didn't know how people were going to go about them. Because I know when I went and got them, there were a few people there trying to get them. So they might sit in certain areas, just depending on where you're looking at, what you're looking for. So I decided to do that for my boy, but the other pair I got will be on GOAT if you guys are looking for it and you can't find it in your store. These ones are pretty dope, man. Let me know what you guys think about these. We're going to get the up close and personal visuals of these so you guys can see the different colorations and the specs of the shoes or what have you. And maybe even on feet, you dig? Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, of course. Share it with everybody in the world that you know. Send comments, man. I read the comments. I appreciate the positive feedback. The positive energy is most likely, of course, encouraged. And make sure you smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these shoes and on feet, you dig?